Good news. So we've just passed our inspection, so that's the post-line inspection. We can now start applying plaster and paint and all the finishing interiors. So first in order, the plaster will go down, then the paint will start happening. The paint is going to be starting outside very shortly, and plaster is going to be starting tomorrow. And then, yeah, once all that's done, the flooring will go down, kitchen will go down, plumbers will come through, do their bit. In that same time, I will be fitting off and getting all the electrical and everything else done. And then, yeah, it'll be code of compliance. So, yeah, really stoked with the progress. Super happy that we've passed inspection. It's a massive milestone. So, yeah, we can plow on ahead now. So, yeah, it's looking good. We've had this is the main bathroom. It's all finished now. I've got a few more outlets and holes just to clean up, but you know, as far as total amount, maybe 10 or so to do. And yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Sun comes over in the morning. It comes over sort of that ridge about there, and then sets on the other side. As you can see now, sets sort of over there. So the house is facing about 45 degrees. All the scaffold has been removed now. So yeah, we've got a bit of our parking back. Yeah, it's awesome. So plenty of space for everyone else to come and set up and do their bits. I still need to sort out the remainder of the bricks. We've got about probably a good half a pallet worth. Just trying to work out what we want to do with them, whether or not we make like a pillar entranceway or like something for the letterbox, which would look quite nice. Otherwise, we're just going to be sitting on these bricks for ages and they'll slowly get marked and everything else. Still need to hopefully get some downpipes on as soon as we can, because yeah, we are kind of wasting a bit of rainwater. That's the only downside, or one of the downsides with the having the water tanks above ground rather than below ground, is that obviously the water level point is currently, it's about five or six bricks up. If we'd gone with the below ground tanks, then we might have been able to just do some temporary downpipes and that would have flown into them, but here nor there really. Yeah. I've also got over here, I've got to spend a day at some point just finishing off this wall. Over here I've got to put these brackets up for the pump and everything else, so it's a little bit of a work in progress. Not quite sure exactly how I'm going to do it just yet, but I'll talk to the plumber and just sort of make a good plan, because I kind of want it to look quite nice, and then eventually I might get some LED strips and do something in between each one, or yeah, make this area something that even though it's not going to be seen a lot, I could just have it on a sensor light, so whenever somebody comes out here, turns on, gives them plenty of lighting. Yeah, and that's the plan. If you like these videos and get good value out of them, please like and subscribe. I'll continue to put out more content regarding the house build, and eventually we might end up putting a shed in as well. So yeah, the shed will probably be a kit set, and I'll try and do that from start to finish. Hopefully once it's all finished I can get into the finer details like LED lighting, some home audio stuff, home automation, so either Home Assistant or Homey. Currently I've been using Homey for most of the little stuff where I've been living. It's only small things, but I want to do water tank sensors, yeah, everything I can think of. Got some blinds, yeah, it's awesome. Anyway, thank you for coming, and be sure to see you next time. Cheers, thank you.